How to fix media player error code 0xc00d36b4 in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and media player especially re-enabling Windows media player can we resolve this issue. So the first workaround is re-enable media player. Go to type turn Windows feature on and off in Windows search and open turn Windows feature on or off in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here go to the media feature section, expand it and uncheck the box against Windows Media Player, confirm, and again re-enable it, make the check against Windows Media Player and click OK. And check whether your media player error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and next fixes is right click on a start button, choose run command box, and in run command box execute the command mmsys.cpl. It will open your system audio speaker window. Sound properties, select your default speaker and choose properties. Go to advanced tab and test your default sound format. Also you can change bit depth when running in shared mode. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on the start button and go to settings, run the Windows media player troubleshoot. Go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, scroll down and choose video playback. Run this, choose I want to continue with this troubleshooter and let the window detect the issues and it will resolve them accordingly. And check whether your media player error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, update audio or network display adapter driver. Right click on start button, choose device manager, go to your sound video and game controller driver, expand it, right click on your sound driver and choose update driver. Search automatically for driver and window will install your update your driver. Same procedure, go to display adapter, right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. Search automatically for drivers and your error will definitely be resolved. That's all.